Hey Mouseketeers! Today we're going to open some pin pouches. We are going to open the Mickey Mouse Club Disney pins pin pouch. These are mystery pouches that have 5 Mickey Mouse Club pins in them. And of course they're all a mystery. I don't know how clear that's going to come out on the video, but here are the 16 options that we can get. I have 5 of these pouches. They are available to purchase on disneystore.com, and I know they're at the Disneyland Resort in the merchandise shops. I'm not sure about Disney World, but they are at Disneyland at the moment. And I love Mickey Mouse, and I think he is so cute in the Mickey Mouse Club in the little band costume, which is this pin right here. So, I have 5 of these pouches. I'm gonna open them up and we're gonna see what we get. All right, so I'm gonna tear into the first one. And they are all wrapped in a little black plastic bag inside. So I'm gonna pull out all 5 pins and see what we get. All right, so first one, don't have any of these yet. Hey, it's Scrooge. So we have Scrooge from the Mickey Mouse Club. And there's the back. It's got a glare on it from the light. But hopefully you can see that. So we have our first one, Scrooge. All right, so I'm gonna lay these on the table in the order that they are on the bag, just so I can keep track of everything here. And hopefully we get them all. And the second one, hey, it's Dumbo. Awesome. Dumbo, and there's the back. All right, so then Dumbo is a little above Scrooge there. I've noticed this in the past, and I don't know if any of you have noticed this before, but when you open these pouches, it seems like you always get a sequence. So right now, these two are, Dumbo is here, Scrooge is, oh, wrong side. Scrooge is here, Dumbo is here. So there are 2 pins, no, sorry, 1 pin in between them. So we'll see if this is a sequence or not, but I've noticed that in the past with a lot of pins. And as I said that, Horace, he was the one in between the 2. I don't know if I've noticed it in the earlier pouches from Disney, but in the more recent pouches, I've noticed once your pins are usually the 5 that are next to each other, but we'll see. Still got 2 more here to open from this pouch. And hey, it's Jiminy Cricket. And is he the one? Yep, he's right beside Scrooge in the pouch. So either the next one will either be my favorite, the band leader Mickey, or the 3 Little Pigs. There's the back. Okay. And please be the band leader. Hey, okay, I was wrong. So it's Goofy. He's the only one out of the 5 that's out of order. There's Goofy. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you this on the pouch here. So we got Dumbo, we got Horace, we got Scrooge, we got Jiminy Cricket. So, you know, those 4 are in order. So I thought we would either have gotten Mickey or the 3 Little Pigs. But no, we jumped down a row and we got Goofy. So that's cool. I'm good with that. All right, so that's 1 pouch, 5 pins. Second pouch, opening it up. And Pulling out the 5 mystery pouches. Here we go. All right. First pin. Hey, it's Donald. Mickey Mouse. Donald, Mickey Mouse. Sorry, can't do that very good. There's the back of Donald. All right, where's Donald at on here? Donald is on the second row here. So we'll see if any of these are in order. And actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the camera down a little so you guys can see the pins more than me. Okay, so I moved the camera a little. I may switch it back up because you can't really see the pins on the table, but you can see me opening them at least a little better. All right. Hey, it's Minnie and Daisy. Minnie and Daisy. That's so cool. And there's the back. Now on the back of these, let's see. I don't think, yeah, they're not limited release, limited edition, anything like that. So on the back, it's just made in Vietnam. And then it has that in 3 other languages. And then has the Disney Pins logo here, and then the Mickey heads on the back. Okay. Now Daisy and Minnie. Okay, they're at the bottom here. So far these are not in any kind of sequence. Okay, hey Pluto. We have Pluto here. Awesome. There's the Pluto pin. Okay, so I'm trying to lay these out on the table in order. So Pluto and Donald. And then Minnie is down here beside Goofy. Okay. All right. 2 more from that pouch. And awesome, Ranger Brown. Or is it Brownstone? Might be Ranger Brownstone. Sorry. I've always called him Ranger Brown, but I think it's Ranger Brownstone. Anyway, we got him, so that's cool. Lay him there. And hey, Humphrey the Bear! Awesome! So I really like Humphrey the Bear. I'll tell you a quick little story here. There's the back. I worked at Walt Disney World for a few years, and I worked at Disney's Wilderness Lodge Resort in the business office for a short period of time. And the mascot, I guess, at the time for Wilderness Lodge, and probably still is, was Humphrey the Bear. And so when I left, they gave me a Humphrey the Bear plush and a totem pole that has Humphrey, along with Mickey, and I think it's Mickey, Minnie, and Goofy. Or sorry, Mickey, Donald, and Goofy, and a couple other things. But that's really cool. So I have some special memories with Humphrey the Bear. Cool. All right. So I have 3 more packages. And I don't want to jinx it, but I'm going to say it. So far, so good. Every time I say it, though, it seems like it backfires on me, and then I start getting duplicates. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we'll slide these other 2 over, just so they're out of the way at the moment. And see, I shouldn't have said anything. There's our duplicate, Jiminy Cricket. Okay, I'm gonna set the duplicates over here. I kind of got a little mess here with all these little bags, but I'm trying to keep it organized somewhat. And Dumbo. Now this will be interesting if all of these in this package are the same as what were in the other package that had those two pins. And so far it is, because there's Goofy. All right, so if we get, let's see, it was Scrooge and Horace. So let's see. Hopefully not Scrooge and hopefully not Horace. Oh, Horace. I like you, Horace, but I already have you. And I guess this is going to be Scrooge. All right. And there's Scrooge. I always think it's funny that they say that these packages are random, but you know, this is not the first time that I've opened the package and it's been exactly like another package, or like I've said before, they've been in a sequence. So anyway, that entire package was just like the first package I opened. So here we go with package number 4. This package is hopefully not like any of the other two. And let's pull out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Cross your fingers, Mouseketeers, that this is a different pin than the ones we've opened. And here we go. Oh, Ranger Brownstone. Ranger Brown? I don't know. I should probably look it up. All right. He's in the Humphrey cartoons. And also, well, Humphrey's in some Donald cartoons. I don't know if the Ranger is in the Donald cartoons or not. I know a lot of Disney trivia, and I know a lot about Disney, but there's also a lot I don't know. Or a lot I know bits and pieces of, I guess I should say, but not complete facts. So, all right, I hope this is not a duplicate. Oh, Humphrey. Humphrey the bear. Oh, all right. So, then we should get Donald, Pluto, and Minnie and Daisy. If this is a duplicate as well, duplicate package. And there's Donald. Yeah, you see what I mean? I mean, these are supposed to be randomly selected pins, but yet, why are the same randomly selected pins in the same packet, or, you know, duplicate packages? All right, and Minnie and Daisy. Well, if any of you are going to the pin trading event in Florida in September, and you want to trade, I'll have some. And let's see what, this should be Pluto. And it's Pluto. Love you, Pluto. Sorry to sound disappointed, but you're a duplicate. All right, so I'm gonna switch this and show you what we have so far. We have 10 and 10. Move all the junk out of the way here. So far, we have 10 and 10. We have 10 that aren't duplicates, 10 that are duplicates. So, we have one more package here. I'm gonna open it. Hopefully it's a package of 5 that we don't have. Last package. All right, so I definitely won't get all 16 because I only have a package of 5 left. But if these 5 are not duplicates, then we can potentially get 15 out of 16. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. I moved the camera back up this time. All right. Humphrey, I love you, buddy, but I have you. And I'm thinking that means that these are all going to be duplicates. But let's hope that that theory is proven wrong. Oh, Minnie and Daisy. So it looks like we're going to end up with 3 of the one package. There's the Ranger. These are not randomly selected. Oh no, it's 2 and 2, right? Where am I looking here? I'm looking at the pins there. Okay, so it's 2 and 2. No, duh. All right, I have to edit that up. So we're going to end up with 2 duplicate packages. And okay. So we're ending up with 3 packages that are duplicates, and then 2 other, well, one other one that's a duplicate, or 2. One other one that's got. We ended up with 3 packages that were duplicates, 2 packages that were duplicates out of 5 packages. 5 packages, only 10 different pins. But let me show you what we got. Okay. So we got Ranger Brownstone, Minnie and Daisy. And if it's Ranger Brown and I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry. I'll have to look that up. But and then Goofy, Scrooge, Jiminy Cricket with the Mickey Mouse Club sign, Dumbo, Horace, Donald, Humphrey, and Pluto. So that's my set of 10 that are not duplicates. And then the stack, or this pile, I guess, of pins is bigger because there are 2 different sets of duplicates here. All right. So we got 2 Humphreys, 2 Rangers, 2 Donalds, 2 Minnie and Daisies. Oh, I put Pluto with Donald. 2 Plutos. And then we have a set of 5, which are duplicates of the ones that we have. But we got Scrooge, Goofy, Horace, Jiminy Cricket, Dumbo. Well, that's how it goes, Mouseketeers. You know, you buy these pin pouches. I love mystery pouches, and I hate mystery pouches. It's a love-hate relationship because of what just happened. You know, you buy 5 pouches, you only get 10 pins that aren't duplicates, or 10 in the set. So, one thing that many of you might not know is at the Disneyland Resort, there are 2 different merchandise pin shops. that if you open these pouches and any of the other mystery pins, like the 2-piece pin boxes, if you buy them and then open them in front of the cast member, you can actually trade out of a special box of pins. So like they'll have a 5-pouch pin box, and so you can trade for others that's in the set, you know, assuming that you don't have them already or they aren't in your pouch when you open it. And I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's the Disneyland fireworks going off right now. So, and that is across the street. I am actually over at the Howard Johnson's Anaheim this weekend. So, if you hear the boom, boom, boom in the background, that's the Disneyland Park fireworks. So anyway, as I was saying, in those merchandise shops, though, you can open these. If you buy a 2-box pin pack, then you can trade with the 2-box pin, or the 2-box pin box. And then they also have a one pin box to trade with. I couldn't get that out for some reason. I don't know. So if you buy the little pouches that are, I think they're $9.99 now. I want to say $7.99 because that's what they used to be, but I think they're $9.99 now. If you buy those pin pouches, if you get a duplicate of a pin that you already have, you can trade from the 1-pin box mystery case. I guess it's a mystery case. But it's also like a little box. So anyway, sorry I'm rambling. Back to these. Thanks for watching, Mouseketeers. I am going back to Disneyland tomorrow. So I'm going to buy a pouch of these and open it. Well, assuming that the 5-pouch pin box that they have in the shop has some of the pins that I don't have. I'm gonna buy a pouch of these and hopefully trade some, but we'll see. I'd like to get all 16 of these because I love them, especially this Mickey Mouse band leader. He's my favorite. That's my favorite Mickey of all time. So thanks for watching, Mouseketeers. I really appreciate it. If you don't subscribe already, if you'll click the subscribe button down below, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe. And also check out my website, DisneyMouseketeer.com. And you can also follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter, or X, I guess is it's now called. So, thanks for watching again, Mouseketeers, and we'll see you real soon.